Welcome back to Amicus Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration. The architectural and interior design marvel of Cliffside Retreat. Perched high above the rolling waves of the pristine coastline, the Cliffside Retreat stands as a testament to the harmonious fusion of nature and human ingenuity. This architectural masterpiece is not just a house, it is a symphony of design elements that pay homage to the stunning landscape while embracing modern luxury. In this article, we'll delve into the enchanting world of Cliffside Retreat, exploring its architectural and interior design brilliance. Seamless integration with nature. One of the defining features of Cliffside Retreat is its seamless integration with its natural surroundings. The architects have achieved this through innovative design techniques that make the home appear as an organic extension of the cliff itself. Large floor-to-ceiling windows offer uninterrupted views of the azure sea, while terraces and balconies are strategically positioned to capture the breathtaking sunsets. Contemporary minimalism. The architectural design of Cliffside Retreat favors a contemporary minimalistic approach, with clean lines and a neutral color palette. This minimalist aesthetic allows the home to remain unobtrusive in the landscape, while accentuating the panoramic views. Balancing luxury and sustainability. Sustainability was a key consideration in the architectural design. Solar panels seamlessly integrate into the design, providing energy efficiency, while preserving the natural beauty of the location. Rainwater harvesting systems and eco-friendly building materials are incorporated throughout, showcasing a commitment to environmental responsibility. Interior design ideas. Open-plan living. The interior design of Cliffside Retreat mirrors the minimalist ethos of the exterior. An open-plan living space encourages an unobstructed flow of energy and light. Neutral colors, such as soft whites and grays, dominate the interior, creating a serene backdrop for the scenic views. Natural materials. The interior design is characterized by the use of natural materials. The warmth of wood, the cool elegance of marble, and the rustic charm of stone are seamlessly blended to provide an earthy yet luxurious feel. This choice of materials not only complements the architectural design, but also establishes a tactile connection with nature. Art and decor. The interiors come alive with carefully curated artwork and decor. Large-scale paintings and sculptures echo the grandeur of the surroundings, while decorative accents, such as seashell collections and driftwood sculptures, emphasize the coastal theme. Indoor-outdoor connection. The designers of Cliffside Retreat have masterfully blurred the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. Sliding glass doors and retractable walls seamlessly connect the living areas to the expansive terraces. This creates an incredible sense of fluidity, allowing occupants to experience the elements while remaining in the lap of luxury. Cliffside Retreat stands as a testament to the marriage of architectural brilliance and interior design artistry. The architects have not only harnessed the breathtaking natural landscape, but have also crafted a space that truly harmonizes with it. The minimalist design, natural materials, and sustainable elements blend together to create a space that offers respite from the world and serves as a sanctuary for those seeking a connection with both luxury and nature. In Cliffside Retreat, architecture and interior design unite in perfect harmony, resulting in a place where one can bask in the beauty of the world and find solace in the elegance of design. It's not just a residence, it's an embodiment of serenity and a tribute to human creativity at its finest.